Hello friends, welcome to Ahuja Online Bookshop. Today, we are delighted to present a new book. Let's begin this video. Before we start, if you are new to our channel, please like, subscribe, and share the video. Introduction to the book. Today, we have with us the MPPSC General Studies Prelims Solved Paper, 2024, published by Chakra. This book is a vital resource for preparing for the MPPSC and Madhya Pradesh PCS exams. This book features detailed solutions to previous year's solved questions, aiding in understanding exam trends. Comprehensive coverage of all subjects relevant to MPPSC and Madhya Pradesh PCS exams. Practice papers to enhance exam-taking skills. Updated content based on the latest syllabus and exam patterns. Benefits of using the book. By using MPPSC General Studies Prelims Solved Paper, 2024, you can improve your ability to understand exam formats and difficulty levels. Identify crucial subjects and tailor your studies accordingly. Boost confidence for the exam through focused study of specific exam questions. Enhance your competitiveness to succeed in these exams. Whether you are an experienced candidate or starting preparation for MPPSC or Madhya Pradesh PCS exams, this book is an innovative creation. Click the link provided in the video description to acquire this invaluable resource and start your preparation on the right note. Like, subscribe, and share this video to help others discover this priceless resource. Stay engaged for more book reviews and recommendations at Ahuja Online Bookshop. Enjoy your studies. Don't miss the opportunity to elevate your exam preparation to new heights. Like, subscribe, and share this video to inform fellow book enthusiasts about this exceptional resource. Happy studying! You can find these valuable books at Ahuja Online Bookshop, located near Gramin Bank Ruma, Kanpur Nagar. What are your thoughts? Have you read this book or are you currently exploring it? We would love to hear from you. Please share your feedback in the comments. Studio Microphone, thank you all for joining us on our journey through competitive exams. Keep partnering with Ahuja Online Bookshop to fulfill your dreams by strengthening your preparation even further.